Good morning, students. Today we are starting our question 5th of 11.3. In this question, Ruxar painted the outside of the cabinet of measure 1 meter into 2 meter into 1.5 meter. This is the cabinet. And how much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? जो नीचे bottom है, that is not to be painted, and all the 4 walls you can say, and this is top is to be painted. We have to leave this. Now you see, this is breadth, this is length, and this part is height. Now total surface area of cabinet we know 2 into length, breadth, height plus height, length, and this bottom consists of this area. So this is length and this is breadth. So length into breadth. तो bottom का जो area वो क्या है, length breadth, that we have to subtract from this total surface area of the cabinet. Is it clear? That we do not want to paint. So how we will do it? You will write that area to be painted by Pushkar is total surface area of cuboid, that we did yesterday also, minus area of, we will subtract the area of base. Is it clear? Now total surface area 2 length, breadth, height, and height, length. Okay, and we have to subtract length into breadth. Now to putting the values, you know that length is given to be 2 meter, breadth is 1 meter, and height is 1.5 meter. So put down the values. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1.5. You may put the brackets also small and make it big bracket, plus height is 1.5 into 2, height into length, minus length is 2 into breadth is 1. So 2 into 2 ones are 2, 1 into 1.5 is 1.5 plus 1.5 into 2 is 3, minus 2 ones are 2. When you will add these 3, 4, 5, 6.5 by 2, 6.5, and this is minus 5 2s are 10, 1 carry 6 13, और point के पीछे एक digit है, so place here point, minus 2, 13 minus 2, you will get 11 meter square. This is the answer. This much area of cabinet is to be painted. We have find the first, we will find total surface area of cabinet, and from that we have subtract the area of base. Bottom is not to be painted. Now in question number 5th, Daniel is painting the walls. You know the of the cuboid, how many walls? 4, and ceiling, that is roof of the cuboidal hall, with length, breadth, height are given to be 15, 10 and 7 respectively, from each respectively. Now from up to this means how much is to be painted? The 4 walls, that is lateral भी हम इसको कहते हैं, lateral surface area of the room of the cuboid, and the ceiling part, that bottom और ceiling same होती है. तो दिस इज लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ, जैसे अभी कैबिनेट में किया था, सेम वे हम इस बारी जो है सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, फिर सीलिंग को प्लस कर देंगे, 4 वॉल्स प्लस सीलिंग. ओके, एंड फ्रॉम ईच कैन ऑफ 100 मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया इज पेंटेड. नाउ फॉर 100 मीटर स्क्वायर area 1 can is required. For our area that we will calculate from this, how much cans will be required to paint, that we have to calculate कि कितने can चाहिए हमारे walls और ceiling के लिए, that we have to calculate. Sorry, previous was question number 4th and this is question fifth. So in fifth, total area to be painted. How much is to be painted? To be painted is equal to area of walls, 4 walls, plus ceilings you have to paint. Or you may even do like this also, total surface area, and then subtract base from it. Okay, now area of 4 walls, in maximum questions in senior classes also you will need to find 4 walls, so that is called lateral surface area also. And what is lateral surface area? 2 into height into length plus breadth, okay, plus ceiling is length into breadth. Now what is this? You may even I am telling you how it is derived first, then we will do it. See students, today in previous class we did that for total surface area of cuboid, this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. So a cuboid has 6 faces, 1 2 3 4 5, and this portion is 6. Now these two are alike, now these two are alike, and top and bottom are alike. So 2 into this is length breadth, ceiling and bottom is length into breadth. Okay, now these faces is लेंथ इंटू हाइट, लेंथ इंटू हाइट, और ये क्या होता है? ब्रेथ इंटू हाइट, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो ब्रेथ इंटू हाइट. इसीलिए टोटल सरफेस एरिया जो होता है वो क्या होता है? 2 लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ, ब्रेथ इंटू हाइट, हाइट इंटू लेंथ. ओके, नाउ when we talk of 4 walls means curved surface area of cuboid. This is same thing, 4 walls or curved surface area. How you have to find? These are the walls. So take first wall, this is length, height, and back also length into height. So 2 length into height plus what is this part? Breadth into height, और इधर भी breadth into height. So 2 breadth into height. Take 2 and h, 2 into h common, and what is left? Length plus what is left? Breadth. So it becomes the formula for curved surface area of cuboid, that is 2 height into length plus breadth. Now coming to our question, 2 height, length plus breadth, that is the area of 4 walls, into ceiling is length into breadth. Now you can easily put your values. Length is 15 meter, breadth is 10 meter, and height is 7 meter. So put the values, 2 into 7 and 15 plus 10 plus length into breadth means 15 into 10. So 2 sevens are, you will get 14 into 15 plus 10, 25, plus 15 tens are 150, 350 plus 150, you will get 550 meter, 500 meter square. Now cans needed to paint how much area? 100 meter square area is equal to 1. How many cans are needed to cover 100 meter square? 1. Cans needed to paint, our area is 500 meter square area, 500 divided by 100. Always in every statement sum, what is to be calculated, जो चीज निकालनी होती है, that should be here. Cans needed to paint, because we want to calculate the number of cans. So how many cans you will be in need? 5 cans. Clear? Now in question number 6, you have to describe how two figures are alike. These two figures are given. We have to tell how they are same and how they are different. They are same because see their heights. This is same. The height of रखेंगे तो इनकी जो height है that is same, that is 7 centimeter. And how they are different? This is a figure of a cube cylinder, and this is a figure of a cube. Okay, so we have written similarity, both figures have same height. What is the difference? One is cylinder, other is cube. Now, which box has larger lateral surface area? Now, lateral surface area of cube, as we have done of cuboid, for area of cube, you know, of sphere, all the sides of faces of क्यूब आर ऑफ स्केयर शेप. सारे ही फेसेस कैसी शेप होती है? स्केयर. और स्केयर का क्या एरिया होता है? साइड इनटू साइड. और इफ आई टेक साइड एज एल, सो यू कैन से एल इनटू एल. नाउ 6 आर देयर, सो 6l स्केयर. when we have to calculate lateral surface area, not total, so means 4 walls, then it is 4l square. Now comes new formula, that is lateral surface area of cuboid. That we have done cylinder. Now in case of cylinder, see how cylinder is made. This is a sheet. You may take rectangular or square, it doesn't make a difference. Now when we fold this cylinder sheet to make this rectangular sheet to form a cylinder, जब हमने इसको fold किया rectangle को cylinder बनाने के लिए, now this is cylinder. Okay, what is this? This is height of cylinder. And what is this? This outer boundary of a circle, that is called perimeter of circle. Okay, and what is the perimeter of circle? 2 pi r. And what is this? H. So when we have to find lateral surface area means टॉप और बॉटम को हम कंसिडर नहीं कर रहे. जैसे इसमें हमने टॉप और बॉटम छोड़ दिया तो 4l स्क्वायर, दो हमने छोड़ दिए. 6l स्क्वायर टोटल था, सीलिंग और बॉटम बेस जो है छोड़ दिया, तो 4l स्क्वायर. सेम इज द केस ऑफ सिलेंडर. जब हम ये वाला एरिया सर्कल का टॉप और बॉटम का एरिया एक्सक्लूड कर दें, सो दिस एरिया इज, व्हाट इज दिस एरिया? दिस इज 2 pi r. And what is this? Height. So what is lateral surface area of cylinder? You can say 2 pi r h. Now in question number 6, we have to find lateral surface area of cube as well as cylinder. Now lateral surface area of cube, and this is lateral surface area of cylinder. Lateral surface area of cube means 4l square. So 4, and what is the length of these sides? 7. क्यूब की साइड्स क्या हैं? 7. सो 4 into 7 का स्क्वायर. 7 7s are 49. And on multiplying, 9 4s are 36, 3 carry, 4 4 are 16, 17 18 19, 196 centimeter square. And lateral surface area of cylinder, just now we have done, that is 2 pi r h. So 222 by 7, and the radius is given. See, diameter is given, this hole, so this is diameter. This diameter is 7, so radius will be 7 by 2. And what is height? That is 7. So now you can easily solve. 22 into 7, you will get 7 to the 14, 1 carry, 7 to the 14 and 1 15, 154 centimeter square. So these are the lateral surface area of the two figures. That's all for today. Thank you.